Hello! Join me in my Paint With Me series. Today I am going to paint my very first painting we'll do in the live stream. And I've been painting before. 2 years ago was my last painting, so now I will paint again.
All right, let's start painting. So as you can see, I have my canvas here with me, and there's a little damage because I had this for 2 years already, and it was just sitting there collecting dust. However, when we moved 2 months ago, this happened. But I just put a also the size of my canvas is 36 by 48 inches. So yes, with that little damage there, I put masking tape on the back, and it worked, so it isn't really obvious when I finished painting. Even if, like, the painting is already hanging on the wall, it's still fine. And so now I started painting with blue. Now the funny thing is, because like I said, I stopped painting 2 years ago, and this is my first one after 2 years, so my paints are already dry, and I had a hard time blending the colors, so I had to get some water to blend it. So it's not good to just leave your painting there. I mean your paints, because they're just all gonna dry up. And yes, anyway, like you said, this is the biggest painting that I did. I'm just going to say it again. It's 36 by 48 inches. And the reason why I got this canvas is because I went to Michael's and it was on sale. The regular price was, I think it's around $60 to $70 or probably more. And then I got this for $16 only. That's a good deal. And I was planning to put this or to hang this on our bedroom wall. And yes, so finally I started doing it after 2 years. So right here, I still couldn't blend the black and the blue well because they're all dry. So I tried to add more water, but it did work out for me. So just a little patience. And as I mentioned, I did this painting while I'm doing my live stream. So don't be bothered when I am talking to my computer while I'm doing it, because I'm talking to people in the chat, and we played some games. It was really fun. I asked them to guess the title of this painting, and I think Leia Lacochera, shout out to you, Leia Lacochera, my group mate in YT90 group, What's Up, and TikTok groups. She won the title and she won 10 hours, watch hours. I think Relatable Mama also won. Shout out to you guys. And then, so see, so the canvas is too big for my stand, so I had to put something on the back to make it stable. And also, I asked them to guess the brands of my paint and what are the color schemes that I'm going to use, the shades, and the size of my canvas. And it was fun. I thank you so much for all of those who stayed with me during the live stream. And so I just downloaded the whole 7 hours of the live stream and edited the video. Like, that's it. And yes, I had hard time blending the blue and black, to be honest. So I had to add a little grayish and light blue there. But like I said, it worked well. So I don't know if you still notice a little damage there. I still can, but when I finished it, it didn't really show that much. So like I said, I just put masking tape. But by the way, if you plan to paint something like this, make sure you put old newspapers, or probably a trash bag on the floor. So just to protect the floor, because it's really hard to clean the floor with paints, especially if they're already dried up. So now I'm still talking to them. Yeah, so yes. Well, right there, I am counting actually how many syllables for them to guess the title of the painting. So yes, it's in the title. I mean, it's in the title of this video. It's The Tree in the Midnight Sky. And like I said, I plan to put this on our bedroom wall, but temporarily I have it here on my work area. So if you're wondering where I'm painting right now, I'm actually inside a room. It's our second bedroom here in the apartment, and I divided into two. So the area that you are seeing right now is my craft area where I draw, I saw, I paint, and just anything craft. And then on the right side of this room is my school workstation where I have my laptops, my camera. I have two laptops, one for work and one for myself. And yeah, so the room is big enough for me. And yeah, so like I said, this one I'm doing the splatter, so make sure you have a magazine or old newspapers on the floor. All right, so yes, I'm trying to finish this painting. What else do you want to know about me? About painting. So my favorite subject is actually eyes, but I only like doing eyes using pencil or charcoal. And then I started improving. I am actually trying to improve my watercolor skills right now. Before I used to like pastel. Well, I still like pastel, but now I'm trying to improve my watercolor skills and what do you call this? Oh, I forgot. No, oil painting. I did one oil painting before. I liked it. I liked how the colors. Um, I like how the colors look like after the painting. after I do the painting. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to say. So yeah, this video is 16 minutes, so just bear with me, guys. So in the meantime, I'm just going to play some music. So enjoy watching. Don't leave me, guys. Just stay there. All right, so I think we have to play this TikTok game, Never Have I Ever Artist Edition. So instead of putting my finger down, I'm just going to say yes or no.
Put a finger down, traditional artist edition. Put a finger down if you have over 5 unfinished pieces.
No.
Put a finger down if you have ever drank paint water.
Yes,
Put a finger down if someone has asked, did you draw that?
Yes.
Put a finger down if your pencil has ever broke and then you had a midlife crisis.
No.
Put a finger down if you've ever cried over your art. Put a finger down if you're insecure about selling your art.
Yes.
Put it down if someone has asked, is that you?
Yes.
Put a finger down if you think you've reached your peak as an artist and you're only going downhill.
Yes.
Put a finger down if watercolors have made you question your life existence.
No.
Put a finger down if you've ever spent $100 or more on art supplies.
Yes.
Put a finger down if you started drawing with anime characters.
Yes.
Put a finger down if you still can't find your style.
Yes.
Put a finger down if you feel personally harassed by how to draw YouTube videos. Put a finger down if you've heard someone say to you, I can't even draw a stick figure.
Yes.
Put a finger down if you love being an artist.
Yes.
Put a finger down, traditional artist edition. Finger down.
Alright guys, I'm done with my painting. It took me 7 hours to finish just because I have to entertain the chat and I have to go to the store and buy some paint. So anyway, I finished it. Look at my hands. So the title is Tree in the Midnight Sky. Alright. Thank you so much for those who watched my live stream Paint With Me. See ya.